The 2025 Honda CRF 150L has arrived, and it continues to carry forward the reputation of being one of the most versatile dual-sport motorcycles in the entry-level category. Designed for both city riders and off-road enthusiasts, this bike is built to handle multiple terrains with ease. In today's video, we will dive into its design, features, performance, and why it remains a strong contender in its segment. Design and styling. The CRF 150L carries Honda's legendary CRF family DNA, with sharp body lines and rugged aesthetics inspired by motocross machines. The 2025 model keeps the slim profile, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces and trails. It features a bold front fender, aggressive headlamp design, and a sporty seat profile. The graphics for this year are updated, giving the bike a more modern and energetic appeal. Despite being lightweight, the CRF 150L looks tough and ready for adventure. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 CRF 150L is a reliable 149 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, single-cylinder, four-stroke engine. This engine is known for its balance between fuel efficiency and off-road capability. It produces smooth power delivery, ideal for both city commuting and trail riding. The engine is paired with a 5-speed transmission that ensures responsive acceleration and consistent performance in various conditions. Whether you are climbing hills, cruising on the highway, or navigating rocky terrain, the CRF 150L does not disappoint. Suspension and handling. One of the biggest strengths of the CRF 150L is its suspension setup. The bike is equipped with Showa long travel inverted front forks and a ProLink rear suspension system. This ensures excellent shock absorption and stability, even on rough terrains. The lightweight steel semi-double cradle frame adds to the bike's durability and handling precision. With a ground clearance of around 285 mm, riders can confidently tackle obstacles without worrying about bottoming out. This makes the bike equally comfortable for off-road adventures and city potholes. Braking and safety features. The 2025 CRF 150L comes with front and rear disc brakes, offering solid stopping power in both wet and dry conditions. The wave-type disc design not only adds style but also enhances cooling efficiency. While it does not feature ABS in most markets, the braking system is more than capable of delivering confident control. The lightweight construction of the bike also makes it easier for beginners to handle safely, making it an excellent choice for new riders venturing into dual-sport motorcycles. Wheels and tires. For optimal off-road performance, the CRF 150L comes with a 21-inch front wheel and an 18-inch rear wheel. These are wrapped with dual-purpose tires, offering a fine balance between street grip and dirt traction. The spoke wheel design ensures durability on uneven terrain, making the bike dependable for long rides into rural or off-road areas. Technology and features. Honda has kept the CRF 150L simple yet effective. The digital instrument cluster is compact and provides essential information such as speed, fuel level, odometer, and trip meter. The LED headlamp offers improved visibility, while the tail and indicators are designed for durability. Although it doesn't boast advanced electronics like traction control or ride modes, its simplicity is what makes it reliable and easy to maintain. Comfort and practicality. The CRF 150L's ergonomics are designed for both daily commutes and long trail rides. The upright seating position ensures comfort, while the slim seat and lightweight body make it manageable even for shorter riders. With a fuel tank capacity of around 7.2 liters, it provides decent range for mixed-use riding. The overall design ensures minimal fatigue, even during extended rides across uneven terrain. Price and value for money. In 2025, Honda continues to keep the CRF 150L competitively priced, making it one of the best entry-level dual-sport options in the market. Its blend of rugged design, reliability, low maintenance costs, and strong resale value make it an attractive package. For riders looking for a motorcycle that can handle both the city and the wilderness without breaking the bank, the CRF 150L stands out. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda CRF 150L remains a versatile and dependable motorcycle. It is perfect for riders who want an affordable entry into the world of off-road riding without sacrificing daily practicality. With its proven engine, excellent suspension, rugged build, and Honda's trusted reliability, it continues to be a strong choice for beginners and experienced riders alike. Whether you are using it as a commuter, a weekend trail bike, or both, the CRF 150L delivers a balanced riding experience that is hard to beat.